You were in the opening?
Yes, I was. I was thinking opening it, which was nice. Lived in the town, drank in there before, obviously, but no, with it being taken over and whatever, it was a really nice day as well. Well, yeah, I mean, the football club obviously going the way it did. I think the pub's already got better, I should say, from what I can gather, but no, the club is hopefully going from strength to strength. There's a long way to go. We're all obviously disappointed last year with obviously not getting promotion, but as I said, I think we're probably good enough certainly to get in the playoffs again this year, so we'll just have to wait and see. Well, I think you've only got to look at the gate again today. It's just over 4,000, first home game of the season. The fans have been absolutely brilliant over the last 2 years, 3 years. To a certain degree, they've been rewarded, with the results, but it's like anything else. We all want to get back in the Football League. We're just going to hope that that's going to happen. All the years, obviously, I played football, I was always owned by an owner, so to speak, who put money into the club. But no, with the club going as a cooperative, I think they've got a good board. As I said, they're very sensible with what they do. I think so long as they do that, or we do that, then the club should be okay. I think the fans have to. Well, I think the fans do know that. We've got to work within the means that we have, within the budget that we have. We haven't got a benefactor, but obviously we're going that way, so we can't afford to get into debt in that sense. But the club, I think, will be run properly and correctly, and which should be the way forward. Well, as I said, I think the board that they put together obviously is very diversified in the sense. Alan, former council member, Barry Horn off the PFA, Don is I'll call him an entrepreneur, whether he was or whether or not, some people will agree or not, and other people have said, so they made it up from different areas, and I think that's the way to go forward. It's just not one person planning from one angle, they're looking at it at all angles, and I think, as I said, I think that's the way to do it.